Last class we have seen the internal structure of dicot leaf and monocot leaf. Okay. Today we are going to see about remaining part of the lesson. First we have see the plastid. What is plastid? Plastid is a double membrane pound organelle present in some algae and plants. Okay. Plastids are double membrane organelle found in plants, some algae. Okay, what is plastid? Plastids are double membrane found organelle only found in plants and some algae. What is the use of the plastid? Plastid it also responsible for the preparation and storage of food. What is the use? Preparation and storage. Preparation and storage of food. Okay, the plastids is divided into three. First one, chloroplast. Second one, chromoplast. Third one, leucoplast. Okay. What is chloroplast? Chloroplast means green color pigment. Next one, chroma. What is the meaning of chroma? Means color. So, yellow, red, orange color. Next one, leuco. Leuco means without color. So, colorless plastids. So, first one, chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. What is chloro? Chloro means green color pigment. Chroma means color. What is the color? Yellow, red, orange colors. Leucoplast means without color, no color. So, colorless plastids. Next, structure of chloroplast. Structure of chloroplast. Okay. Chloroplasts are green color plastid. What is the color? Green color plastid. Green color plastids containing inside the pigment is called chlorophyll. Green color pigment. Pigment name chlorophyll. See this? Chlorophyll. Okay. Chloroplast, green color plastid is present inside the plastid. Pigment is present. What is the pigment name? Chlorophyll pigment. Okay. Structure of chloroplast. It have a diameter 2 to 10 diameter. Micrometer. It is a oval shaped organelle. What is the shape? Oval shape. Double membrane is present. Double membrane is present. Outer membrane, inner membrane, thylakoids, grana, DNA, ribosome, okay. Okay, this is structure of chloroplast. First, envelope. Envelope means outer membrane and inner membrane is present. Outer membrane and inner membrane separated by intermembrane space. Okay, so outer membrane and inner membrane present. Outer membrane and inner membrane separated by intermembrane space. Intermembrane space. Next, stoma. What is stoma? Matrix present inside the membrane is called stoma. Matrix present inside the membrane is called stoma. It also contains DNA and 70S ribosomes. Okay, it will also required for the protein synthesis. DNA and 70S ribosomes and other molecules also required for the protein synthesis. Protein க்கு தேவையான எல்லா molecules எதுல இருக்கு? இந்த ஸ்டோமால present ஆயிருக்கும். Next one, thylakoids. Third one, thylakoids. Thylakoid envelope surround the thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid envelope surrounded the thylakoid lumen. Inside the thylakoid, disc-like structure is present. That is called grana. Inside the thylakoid, disc-like structure. Disc-like structure is called grana. Okay, next grana. What is grana? What is grana? Grana is grana is present inside the thylakoid, the disc-like structure. One above the other. ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒன்னு அடிக்கி வச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். It look like a coin shaped. அது பார்க்க நாணயத்தை அடிக்கி வச்ச மாதிரியே இருக்கும். Look like a coin shaped. The disc-like structure is called grana. The grana, inside the grana, they are interconnected by membrane lamella is called Fred channel. Interconnected by lamella granula is called Fred channel. Okay, so this is called the structure of chloroplast. First heading, envelope, outer membrane and inner membrane is present. They are separated by intermembrane space. Next, stoma, matrix present inside the membrane is called stoma. Inside the stoma, DNA and 70S ribosome and other molecules required for the photosynthesis, protein synthesis. Next, thylakoid. What is thylakoid? Inside the chloroplast, the disc-like structure is present. It is formed one by one. That is called grana. Next, grana means the disc-like structure are to each other, interconnected to each other. That is called membranes lamella. It's called Fred channel. Okay, next, function of chloroplast. Function of chloroplast. The chloroplast ஓட வேலை என்ன அப்படினு பார்க்க போறோம். Functions of chloroplast. What is the first one function? It is involved in the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Second one, formation of chloroplast. Formation of chloroplast. Third one, synthesis of starch. Synthesis of starch and synthesis of lipid. Synthesis of lipids. Fifth one, synthesis of fatty acid. So, first one, what is the function of chloroplast? It involved in the photosynthesis function. Next one, formation of chloroplast. இந்த chloroplast உருவாக்குறதுல முக்கிய பங்கு. Next one, synthesis of starch. Starch உண்டு பண்ணுது. Next, synthesis of lipids and synthesis of fatty acid. Okay, these are the main function of the chloroplast. Okay, next, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The green plants prepare their own food. Okay, that is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to build. So, all the green plants prepare their own food. What in the photosynthesis means, in this process, carbon dioxide combined with water in the form of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose. In this process, carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll to produce carbohydrate or glucose. Okay, what is photosynthesis? In this process, carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce glucose. That is called photosynthesis. Where does photosynthesis occur? Photosynthesis occur in stem, leaf and floral buds. Okay. Next one, where does photosynthesis occur? First one, stem, leaf. Third one, floral bud. Okay. Photosynthetic pigments. Pigments are involved in the photosynthesis is called photosynthetic pigment. Pigments are classified into two types. First one, primary pigment. Second one, accessory pigment. Primary pigment. Second one, accessory pigment. What is primary pigment? Primary pigment means chlorophyll A is a primary pigment. Chlorophyll A primary pigment. Accessory pigment means chlorophyll B and carotenoid. Chlorophyll B and carotenoid. Okay. So, primary pigment chlorophyll A, secondary pigment chlorophyll B and carotenoid. What is the use of the primary pigment? The primary pigment chlorophyll A trap the solar energy to convert into the electrical and chemical energy. What is the use? Chlorophyll A trap the solar energy convert electrical and chemical energy. Electrical and chemical energy. Okay. Second one, what is accessory pigment? Accessory pigment means chlorophyll B and carotenoid involved. They absorb the energy passed to the primary pigment. Pass on the absorbed energy. Okay, இது absorb பண்ணி இது எதுக்கு அனுப்பிரும்? Primary pigment க்கு அனுப்பிரும். Pass on the absorbed energy. Pass on the absorbed energy to primary pigment. Okay, so the primary pigment is otherwise called reaction center. Reaction center, and the accessory pigment is otherwise called harvesting center. Harvesting center. Okay, the reaction center and harvesting center together are called photosystem. Next, what is photosystem? Photosystem means that reaction center and harvesting center are together is called photosystem. Okay, next topic, role of sunlight in photosynthesis. Role of sunlight in photosynthesis. Role of sunlight in photosynthesis. The entire process of photosynthesis take place in the chloroplast. The process, entire process, the photosynthesis, the full process me enga nadakum appadina only in the chloroplast la nadakum. Chloroplast. Okay, it's divided into the two reaction, light reaction, another one dark reaction. Endha edathila nadakradungra porthu reaction is divided two. First one light dependent reaction, another one light independent reaction. First we see the light reaction. Next one, dark reaction. It otherwise called, light reaction is otherwise called light dependent reaction and Hill reaction. Why you call Hill reaction means it is discovered by Robin Hill in 1939. So it is called Hill reaction, otherwise called light reaction. Light reaction occurs in the light reaction enga nadakum appadina thylakoids, grana of chloroplast occurs in thylakoids, grana of chloroplast. Dark reaction occurs in stoma of chloroplast. Stoma of chloroplast. So light reaction occurs in thylakoids, grana of chloroplast. Dark reaction occurs in stoma of chloroplast. Next point, occurs in light is necessary, light is important. Presence of light. The light irukumbodhu dhaan nadakkum, the reaction occurs in presence of light. Presence of light is not necessary in dark reaction. Presence of light not necessary in dark reaction. Next one, last point, photosynthetic pigments absorb the energy to produce ATP and NADPH2 molecule. Photosynthetic pigments absorb the light energy to produce ATP and NADPH2 molecules. Okay, the photosynthetic pigments. What is a photosynthetic pigments? The chlorophyll A is absorbed the energy to the light energy. ATP and NADP molecule produce, which produce glucose. Like dark reaction la enna nadakumna, which produce glucose from எதுல இருந்து இதுக்கு கிடைக்கும்னா which produce glucose from the light energy ATP and NADPH and NADPH2, which produce இது எது ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணா குளுக்கோஸை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணி எங்க இருந்து அப்படின்னா absorbed the energy from இதுல இருந்து அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி ATP and NADPH இதுல உள்ள லைட் ரியாக்ஷன் உள்ள molecules அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி இதுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா which produce the glucose கொடுக்கும். That is called dark reaction. First one occurs in the thylakoids, granula நடக்கும், occurs in stoma of chloroplast. Next occurs in only presence of light. The presence of light is not necessary. Photosynthetic pigment absorb the light energy to produce the ATP and NADPH2. இங்க which produce glucose produce பண்ணும். எப்படி வரும் அப்படின்னா glucose to use the light energy material ATP and NADPH2 யூஸ் பண்ணி glucose கொடுக்கும். Okay, next factors affecting photosynthesis. Factors affecting photosynthesis. Okay, that it is divided to two types, internal factors and external factors. First we see the internal factors. What is internal factor? First one, leaford age. Second one, pigment. Third one, hormones. Fourth one, accumulation of carbohydrate. Accumulation of carbohydrate. Okay, what are the internal factors? Leaf oda age affect பண்ணலாம். ஏனா leaf oda age வந்து போக போக yellow color pigment வந்துரும். So photosynthesis நடக்க chances ரொம்ப கம்மி. Next pigment, அதோட pigment chlorophyll pigment இருந்தாதான் photosynthesis நடக்கும். Next hormones oda levels balance இல்லைனா நடக்காது. Next accumulation of carbohydrate oda levels அதிகமா இருந்தாலும் நடக்காது. Second one, external factors. External factors. What are the external factors? First one, light. Second one, temperature. Third one, carbon dioxide. Okay, what are the external factors? Light, temperature, carbon dioxide. இந்த மூணு எதை affect பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா external factors affect photosynthesis affect பண்ணணும். The first, okay. Today homework, learn and write light and dark reaction. Thank you students.